Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to copy text from image like a pro without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to copy text from image like a pro. So the very first thing you need to do, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone or you are using PC, it's still the same procedure. What you need to do is to make sure you have Chrome browser. So simply click on your Chrome browser. After click on your Chrome browser, then you have to make a new tab. So I'm going to click on here to make a new tab. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this camera icon right here. Then select the picture that you want to copy the text from. So I'm going to look for a picture right here. So right from my phone album right here, I'm going to upload this picture right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click and hold down. Then once you click and hold down, simply highlight straight to all the text that you want to copy. Then make sure you simply click on copy. Then you have all the text copy without any stress. So you can simply edit the text or you can paste it in anywhere you want to paste the text. It's as simple as that. You can also edit the text, so you can see just like so. So iOS, so the text can be simply edit just like so. So basically, this is how to simply copy text from image without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about easy tips and tricks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.